Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. So let's start the today's topic, and this is the part of general aptitude series, and the topic is calendar. In our day-to-day life we use calendar, and the calendar which we use every day is the Gregorian calendar. And yeah, for the Gregorian calendar I want to say, like, the first day was Monday, which we started, and it was the first day is Monday, and later on we moved to the year of 200s, then 2000s, and now we are in 2022. Yeah, so let's discuss about it. So the main agenda of this video is to find a day on the particular date. Like, for example, if I say uh, what was the day on 11th March 2021. So in such case, you must be in a position to find like what is the day on this particular date. Yeah, so let's move forward and discuss all about this Gregorian calendar and how to find a particular day on a particular date. Okay, so here, uh, whatever I have written in the box, these things you must remember. Like, no matter what, you should not forget these things. Okay, so in very concise manner I have written whatever is required for our discussion and to make it very easy. Okay, so let's consider, as you all know, there are 365 days in the ordinary year, and there are 366 days in leap year, like one extra day which is in Feb, like 29 Feb we have in a leap year. Okay, so you must remember, like, every leap year is having 366 day, and when you divide it with 7, you will get reminder as in 2, and when you divide 365 by 7, you will get reminder as a 1. So I have written for leap year there will be 2 odd days, and for ordinary year there will be 1 odd day. How it is coming, that you should divide it with 7 and find out the remainder. Okay, this reminder is written over here. So this is the first. No need to worry now. Once you are done with all the points, easily you can solve questions, and you will be in state or a position to solve the question. So please listen patiently. So the next is the multiple of 4 is a leap year. Centurion year is not a leap year, for example 100, 200, 500, 700, like that. And fourth centurion year is a leap year, for example 400, 800, 1200, 2000, etc. Okay, and the next box says, from here let's start. In 100 years we will be having a 5 odd days. So when you multiply it with the 2, so when you multiply 5 odd days, so 5 into 2 will be 10, and when you divide it with the 7, you'll get 3. 200 to 300, like, you multiply it with the 3, you'll get 15, and 15 divided by 7, you'll get reminder as 1. So here is a 1. So for the 400, when you multiply this with the 4, like, but the fourth, this 400 years, like 400th year is a leap year. So in that case you must remember, like, for the 400 years there will be a 0 odd day, like there will be a 0 odd day consideration. Like, when you multiply it with the 4, so there will be 5 4 is 20, but this 400 is a leap year, so there will be plus 1, so which is equals to 21, and when you divide it with the 7, you will get the remainder as a 0. And for 900 there is a 1 odd day, and for the 2000 year there will be a 0 odd day. From this you can easily conclude. So this box is very important, and you must be in the state to calculate, like, once you know this particular quantity for the 100 year, you can easily calculate remaining. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's move to the next box. For the Jan, we have 31 days, so there will be 3 odd day. Like, when you divide 31 by 7, you will get 3 as a reminder. For the Fab, there is a special condition. If Fab is of leap year, you will have a 1, and when it is of ordinary year, you will have it as a 0. For the March, there are 31 days, so 3 odd days. For the April, 2. For the May, 3. June, 2. July, 3. As you know, July and August are of 31. So both are having 3 odd days. For the September, 30, 2 odd days. October, 3. November, 2. December, 3. Okay. Here is the convention, like, first odd day is Monday, second odd day is Tuesday, third odd day is Wednesday, fourth odd day is Thursday, fifth is Friday, sixth is Saturday, and seventh or a 0 is a Sunday. Okay. Here I have written for the ordinary year there are 365 days, and for the leap year there are 366 days. Okay. Okay, let's move to the question. So with the help of question only you will grip on all those uh, concepts. Okay, so first you should focus on the date, like 15th of August 1947. So as you all know, till the 1900 we have one odd day. From the box itself I am concluding. Okay, so next 46 years you have to take, and for that 46 divided by 4, that will be equals to 11 leap years, and that 11 is multiplied with 2 because every leap year is counting as a 2 odd days, so that will be 22 odd days. Okay, and 11 leap year are present in 46 years, so the remaining will be 35 ordinary year. As we know, ordinary brings one odd day, so there will be 35 odd days. When you sum them, it will be 57 odd days over here. So when you divide it with the 7, ultimately you will get how many? 56. So one odd day. Here you should highlight it one odd day over here for the 46 years. For the 900 years you have a one odd day. Okay, and for the 46, so till 46 we have completed. Now 47th year we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, for the Jan we have 3 odd days. For Fab we have a 0. Why 0? Because it is an ordinary, like it is not a leap year kind of. Okay, for March we have 3. For April we have 2, and for May we have 3. For Jan we have 2. For July we have 3, and for the August we have 15 days. Like on the 15th August you have to find. So in general you have to highlight 3. Like on 2 places we can commit mistake. So on February, sorry, and on August we have to find. So when you total them, it will come out as in how much? Uh, so there will be a 31 in total. Like you can count 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So there will be 31 divided by 7. So that will be coming as in how much? 3 odd days. Okay, so here you have to highlight 3 odd days. So first we have completed till 1900. Next is the 46 years. So 1946 we have done, and in the 47th year analysis we have done this part. So in total we have got one odd day from the 1900, as you can see. Then one odd day from the 46 years, and from till the date we have got 3 odd days. So in total 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5, 5 odd day. This is our ultimate answer. And fifth odd day is nothing but Friday. You can conclude it from the table itself, like the fifth odd day is Friday over here. So let me explain you one more time. So for example, we have to calculate till 1947. So first you have to go till 1900 years. Next 46 years you should break, and you have to see how many leap years are there and how many ordinary years are there. For every leap year it brings 2 odd days, so there will be 22 odd days, and for the every 35 ordinary years they bring 1 odd day, so there will be 35 odd days. So in total there will be 57 odd days, and when you divide it with the 7, like why we are dividing it to 7, just in order to reduce it between 0 to 7. In other words, I want to say from 0 to 7 we want, because we have cyclic repetition of the 7 days, and the 7th 0 or 7 is called as Sunday. So from Monday to Sunday we have a cyclic repetition, that's why we are using this. So till 1946 we are done, and later on we moved till the day which is of 15th August, and in that way we have concluded 9 Feb 2004. Same concept you have to apply. So till the 1900 we have one odd day, like this is from the box I have written, and next 103 years, so it will be 2003. So till 103 years, 103 divided by 4, so you will get 25 leap years. So 25 into 2, like each leap year brings 2 odd days, so there will be 50 ordinary days over here. So out of 25 leap years, when you subtract from 103, there are 25 leap years, so remaining years will be 78 ordinary years, and they bring only one odd day, so there will be 78 ordinary days. So in total there will be 128 odd days, which you divide by 7, so you will get over here you will get 2 odd days. So I am highlighting over here 2 odd days from this and 1 odd day from this. Okay. Okay, now till 2003 we have reached. Now in 2004 we have January and Feb we have 9 days, just because till the 9th of Feb we want, and for the Jan we have 3 odd days. Okay, so there will be how much? 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 odd days. So when you divide it by 7, you'll get how much? 5 odd days. You just highlight it. So how many odd days in total? So total odd days are 5 odd day in the month of February, and 2 odd days till the 2003, and 1 odd day is till 1900. So 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So 8 divided by 7, as we want our answer in 0 to 7 range. So 1 is a reminder. So 1. 1 is what? From the box itself we can say Monday. You can verify it on the calendar itself that the 9 Feb 2004 was a Monday. Yeah, here first is Monday. Okay, so once you practice a few questions based on this, I can be 100% sure that you won't forget in your life. So yeah, these tricks are very useful and you can make it possible. So here is one more question for you. Try your birthday or your parents' birthday or your girlfriend's birthday, and mention the answer in the comment box itself. Comment your answer. Thank you. Thank you very much.